Life YouTube channel, and if you haven't already, go over and hit that subscription button and the notification bell so you'll be notified when we put a new video out. So today we're working on a 2007 Dodge 3500 6-speed dually, let's see, it's a 6.7. So we have some starting issues. It's not getting, well, it's getting juice to the starter, but the starter just won't whirl and won't activate. So we're taking the starter apart. Now that might be a bigger deal than what you think, because to get into that starter, it takes 3 bolts. And for those bolts, the tools you'll need is a 3/8 socket, or a 3/8 ratchet, a 1/2-inch socket for that ratchet. And then we ended up having to home make a tool. It's a wrench that we had to bend. Started out like that, and we bent it. They're a 1/2 inch, and we had to make a wrench because I'm sure you can go buy them, but those are not readily available at our stores near us, so we had to make one. And so we were able to make that by bending it, heating it, and getting it so we can get on top of the starter. So we got the starter out, and the way it's positioned in the truck is kind of like that. So you can get to these 2 bottom ones, and you'd be looking at it this way. You can get to the 2 bottom ones, but you can't get to the top one. And so you have to reach up behind here and work it. So you're able to get this like that and work the bolt that way. So we're going to take the starter to a local repair shop to get it tested to see if it is good or if that is our issue that way. Also wanted to mention, I was looking, I use YouTube quite a bit, and I was looking to try to figure out how to undo this clip here. There's an electronic clip on this starter. It's really hard to undo. You just take a pick, or we use like a big screwdriver, 90-degree angle pick. It's got a little tab in there. You just press it down and pry it, and it'll come right out. As you guys can see, we got the starter back from the parts store. That was the issue. So if you guys have that issue, definitely try the starter as the first attempt. This one had lifetime warranty on it, so we just exchanged it. So let's start getting it in. So if y'all can see that, we're looking into the inner fender by the spring and shock at the starter, and we had to make sure we got that gray connector, electric connector on. And if you can see that little gray tab, you just push that in and it pops off. And then we made sure to get our positive electricity, which would be right, if I can see in there, point up in there, right there. Anyway, got that on. That takes a 5/8 wrench. The 3 bolts that hold the starter onto the truck itself are 1/2 inch, and then I explained, as I did earlier, about the wrenches you need for that. So anyway, with that said, we're going to see if it'll get ready to start, and then that's how you put a starter on a Dodge pickup. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, don't forget to comment those down below. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel if you would. And please go follow us on Instagram, where we feature little clips that we don't necessarily feature on YouTube. Also keeps you more update on our daily lives and what we're working at. So with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll catch you on the next one.